Hey guys, what is up YouTube, and welcome back to another of my video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a simple shooter, like shoot the target game in Scratch. So basically what you want to do first is grab the scissor and we're going to delete the cat because we don't really need it. And we're going to go paint a sprite, and we just need to draw a straight line because it's going to be like a wall. So just try and make it straight and bring it to the side. That should be good. Okay, and now we need another sprite to be the target. I'm just gonna choose the ghost 1, and let's just drag it to the side. So basically the game will be that the ghost will spawn anywhere around here, and then they'll start moving. And you have to hit the ghost to earn points. Yeah, that will be basically the game. So what you want to do first is drag in the when flag is clicked, go to motion, go to X, whatever, Y, whatever, and then you want to go to operators, do pick random for Y, and we're going to pick a random spot for the ghost to go in. So 160 to a negative 160. So now I just need to type this in. 60. Negative 160. There, that should be good. And now if we click the green flag, yeah, that's working perfectly. And now we want to make the ghost move. So go to control and drag in the forever block. Go back to motion, drag in change X by 10. So now after it goes somewhere, it will move by 10 steps. Go back to control, drag in the repeat block and do, the repeat is going to be over the change X by 10. So it's going to repeat this, it's going to change X by 10 until it touches, go to sensing, pick touching, and until it touches sprite 1, so which is this one. Yeah, we're actually going to name this. Okay. That should be good. And now if we run the code, it will go to a random spot every single time, and when it gets there, it will just stop. Great, that's good. And now we want it to go back again once it touches the edge. So we can just duplicate this code, duplicate it, and then bring it down here. So now if you run it, great, it works. You can change the speed of this ghost by whatever you want. I just set it to change X by 10. Just because, like, you can even set it to like 20 if you want, which will make it like a lot harder. And yeah, so now we're gonna implement the clicking. So if you go to events, then pick when the sprite is clicked, then you want to go to control. Actually, no, sorry. You want to just duplicate this code again. So right click on it and click duplicate, and I just drag down here. So now even if you click it, we're going to actually slow it down. We're not going to keep that 20. Let's bring it back down to 10. If we click it, oh, there, it still goes back, and when it touches the wall, it goes back too. Okay, great. And now we also need to start adding points if you click the ghost. So this is when variables come in. If you go to data, you can click on make a variable. We're just gonna name the variable score, and we're just gonna keep all these the same. If you click OK, the score will be right here. And we want to make it that whenever the sprite is clicked, you're gonna change score by 1. So that's what we're gonna drag down. And now if we click the flag, the score will always add up by 1. And now the problem is that if we stop and start the game again, the score will still continue from last time. So to fix that, it's very simple. Just go back to the top, and it says when flag is clicked, and change it. Actually, no, sorry. We're gonna go to the backdrop and go to events, click when flag is clicked, go to data and do set score to 0. So now that we're finished with this, we're gonna make a timer so that when the time ends, the ghost, like the game ends. So if you go to the backdrop, we're gonna make the timer here. So what you will want to do is, first one, you will want to drag in when flag is clicked, go to control, drag in the forever block, and do forever. Then we want to go back to data again, and we want to make a new variable. This time we're going to call the variable timer. Click OK. And now, in the forever block, we're going to make it wait 1 second. And then the timer. So we're going to go wait 1 second. Then go back to data. Change timer by -1. And now every single second, the timer will minus by 1. And also we need to set the timer at the start, so we're just going to set it to 10 seconds. You can set it to anything you want. But now, if we go back, there should be a timer there, and great, it works. It shows the time, and we will actually want to put the timer on the other side, because then I think that will look better. So there, it works. And now lastly, we want it that when the timer reaches 0, the ghost will stop spawning. So if you go to sensing, if you go to control, drag in the if block and do if, go to operators, drag this smaller than sign and do if, go to data, drag in timer. Timer is smaller than 1. 1. Then, we're gonna go back to events, then drag in broadcast message 1, and change the message to, okay, I can't click this for some reason. Change the message to, click on new message, game over, click OK, and now, why do I keep on clicking that? And now drag in the new block that says, when I receive game over, go to control, and bring stop all. So now, when the game is over, the game will stop. And now, if we make this the big screen and try the game, great, it works perfectly. Your score adds up every single time you play. Oh, okay. And if it hits a wall, it'll go back. Oh, sorry. What? Okay, I don't know what happened there. But maybe it was just a glitch. Okay, so if you click on the ghost, then... Oh, sorry, it wasn't a glitch. The timer stopped. So, yes, the timer works too. You click on the ghost, you earn points, and once the timer reaches 0, the game will stop. And that's pretty good. I feel like, it's kind of boring. Maybe you want to add a few more ghosts to make the game more fun. So if we add 2 more ghosts, then now it'll be a lot better. And also, you want the ghost to disappear when the game is over. So come here and do when I receive game over, go to Lux, then hide. Put this in every other ghost. And now, if we make the big screen and start playing, we click on the ghost, we'll earn points, and once it reaches to 0, boom, all the ghosts will disappear, and it just says right here, your score is 9. Okay, so I guess it was pretty good. Thank you guys so much for coming back and watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below on what video I should teach you guys, like what game I should teach you guys how to make next time. See you next time. Bye!